In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow notifications on Zangi. If you use Zangi for important messages and calls, you'll want to make sure your phone is allowed to alert you right away. Sometimes notifications get turned off during setup or after a system update, so we'll walk through enabling them in your phone's settings and then double-check inside the app so nothing is muted. Start by opening your phone's settings. On Android, the exact labels vary by brand, but you're looking for apps, or apps and notifications. From there, go to App Management if you see it. If you're not sure where it is, use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Apps to jump straight to the apps list. Once you're in the list, scroll alphabetically until you find Zangi and tap it to open the App Info page. You can also use the search icon within the apps list, if available, to find Zangi faster. On the Zangi App Info page, tap Notifications. Depending on your device, it might be called Manage Notifications or Allow Notifications. Open that screen and make sure the main switch is turned on. This is the master control that lets your phone show banners, play sounds, vibrate, and display badges for Zangi. If that switch is off, nothing else will come through. Some phones also show categories or channels on this screen. You can leave those as they are for now, but the key is that the overall notifications toggle is enabled. After turning it on, you can back out of settings. Your device is now set to deliver Zangi alerts. As an optional check, open the Zangi app itself. From the home screen, go to the app's settings, then open Notifications. Here you can see the different notification types the app uses, such as messages, calls, and groups. Confirm that none of these are muted. If you've previously silenced a category, toggle it back on so it can alert you. You can also review options like sound or vibration if they're listed, and set them to your preference. The important thing is that messages, calls, and any group alerts you care about are not muted. That's all you need. By enabling notifications in your phone's settings and confirming Zangi's in-app notifications aren't muted, you'll receive alerts as they happen. If you ever change phones or update your system software, it's a good idea to revisit these screens and make sure everything remains enabled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Zangi notifications working reliably.